Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
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 How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
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 See you later.
See you.
See you later.
See you.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What's your name?
My name is John.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How much is this?
It's $5.
How much is this?
It's $5.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Can I have the bill, please?
Here it is.
Can I have the bill, please?
Here it is.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What's your phone number?
It's 645-9872.
What's your phone number?
It's 645-9872.
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
I don't understand.
Could you repeat that?
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you speak more slowly?
Sure, no problem.
Can you speak more slowly?
Sure, no problem.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Can you show me the way?
Yes, follow me.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read.
How can I get to the station?
Turn right and go straight ahead.
How can I get to the station?
Turn right and go straight ahead.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
I'm hungry.
Let's get some food.
I'm hungry.
Let's get some food.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
I'm tired.
You should rest.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.
What are you doing?
I'm studying English.